Again, our goal is to find the area of the shaded region. So we need to find the area of the square, and then we need to remove the area from the semicircle because it is not part of the square. So for a square, oops, I got the wrong tool here. For the square, it is the same length as it is width. And to find the area of a square, just put a little S there to note that we're talking about the square. You do the length times the width. And squares have the same, so it should be 24 times 24, which is 576. For a semicircle, SC is just representing semicircle. We need the area of a circle, which is pi times radius squared, but we only want half of it. So put that half out front. If the whole length here is 24, that would be a diameter. I want to know what half of that length would be. So if you split 24 into 2 equal parts, you're going to get 12 centimeters, and that is your radius. So we have half times pi times 12 squared. Remember that dot can also represent multiplication. 12 squared is 144. So I want half, I need the pi, and I need the 144. Half of 144 is 72. So we need 72, and then we're going to multiply by pi. But again, in our directions, it says to use 3.14. And when you multiply those, you get 226.08. Remember when we first started this problem, I said we need to take the area of the square and remove the area of the semicircle. So we've got 576 minus 226.08, which is 349.92. Don't forget your units. Centimeters squared. Area is two-dimensional, so you need that squared.